Hi guys, Ziggy here, and today I'm going to tell you all about vowels. Now, what are vowels, you might ask? Vowels are certain letters in the alphabet, and they are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes the letter Y. These important letters help to give different sounds in words. So let's talk about the vowel A. A is a really useful letter, and you can find it in words like can, lamb, ham, sand, and fan. If you notice, all these words have the eh sound in them. And guess what? That sound comes from the vowel A. Yep, the vowel A is very talented. It can even make the ah sound. Like in the words mat, cap, caterpillar, nap, and bat. Oh, I'm afraid of bats. As I mentioned earlier, sometimes the letter Y is a vowel, but sometimes it isn't. For example, in the word yellow, Y gives the y sound, and it's not a vowel there. But if you use it in a word like gym, the Y makes an I sound. I make the same sound when I go to the gym, because when I lift those heavy weights, I go eh. Also in the word cry, the Y makes the I sound. See? Cry. Aw, don't cry, baby. Vowels are awesome. They make me want to sing. In fact, I wrote a little song to help you learn how to remember the vowels. Why don't you sing along with me? I know 6 little letters, each one as cool can be. They're A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y, you see. We use them in so many words, they make each word unique. We see them when we're reading books and say them when we speak. I know 6 little letters, each one as cool can be. They're A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y, you see.